So here we have this question that what steps would you take to prevent and control diseases, right? So we are having the few steps, right? First one is the healthy food habits. So eating healthy and fresh food and avoiding the stale food, right? The second is having the balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? It consists of the important nutrients which are very much essential for the growth and development of the body, right? And even eating the low fat and the low salt food, right? So the next is the healthy lifestyle, which is very much important, right? So taking food at regular time. Second is that going to bed early, but not just after taking the meals, right? Taking 8 hours of sleep per day, right? And even passing the vowels every day, preferably in the morning. So what is vowels? So it is the process of stool moving out of the body through the rectum or anus, right? Next is avoiding smoking, drinking, chewing tobacco, taking drugs, etc. Next is the avoiding fast food or junk food. So you should avoid eating the burger, pizza, momos, etc. because that comes under the category of the junk food, right? So the next is taking break as when the body needs while working, right? So break is very important. So whenever you feel that your body requires a break, so just take a short break, because as doing work continuously without rest makes a person tired, right? So you should always take a short break, so it gives you energy and it is the refreshment, right? The next is doing simple physical exercises such as walking to keep body fit and active. So walking is very simple and the most important exercise, physical exercise. So you should always I think for daily you should move at least for 3000 steps. So walking is very much important for your healthy lifestyle. Now the next is the keeping surrounding cleans, right? So keeping surroundings clean, it is like cleaning floors with the disinfectants like the phenyl, or you can use the Dettol, Lysol, etc., right? So keeping air free from dust, smoke, mites, animal hair, etc. So the next is maintaining the personal hygiene, so by cleaning, taking care of all parts of the body such as skin. So you should take bath regularly. You should wash your hair, eyes, nose, ears. You should clean your ears. You should cut your nails on time, and you should wash your hands before every meal, right? And even you should regularly clean your teeth and gums by doing the regular like you have to regularly do the brush, so that your teeth and gums should be cleaned, right? You should clean your underarms and even the groin. So what is groin now? So it is the area where the upper thigh and the lower abdomen meets. So these are the few things which you need to do compulsory for maintaining your personal hygiene, right? So the next is maintaining public community hygiene. So what you can do for that? First is not throwing waste in rivers and nearby water bodies. So this is very important. Suppose if you are having a lot of garbage and it consists of the polythene bags, so please never throw those like polythene bags into the river, because that are responsible for causing the water pollution, right? So even not allowing the garbage and water to accumulate and stagnate in surroundings. So if you are if you are looking that somebody is throwing that garbage into the water, so please stop that person, and even you should avoid the accumulation of the garbage because it stagnates the surroundings, and because of that many mosquitoes breed there, which are responsible for causing the diseases like malaria, dengue, etc., right? So the next is covering mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing. So this is very good habit. Also you should make it your habit whenever you are feeling that you are coughing or sneezing, so always cover your mouth and nose, right? And it also, you should also advise the same to others, because other persons, especially to the person who are suffering from some communicable disease, right? The next point is avoiding direct contact with person suffering from some communicable disease, right? Next is not using articles used by patient. Suppose if the person is eating food in the in a plate, so you should not use that plate or glass if the that glass plate is used by that patient, so you should avoid using that, right? The next is avoid dirty and crowded areas, so you should avoid going in the dirty and the crowded areas, right? And the next is wearing mask whenever going to crowded areas, so this is also make your habit. Whenever you are going towards the crowded areas, you should always wear the mask, right? The next is promoting vaccination and immunization, medical aid and the medicines, right? And even providing health education in schools, so the students must having the awareness about the health, and that how they can improvise their health and how they can make a healthy lifestyle. So health education must be provided in the schools, right? So the next is establishing health centers to educate people about the causes, spread, prevention and treatment of common diseases. So this awareness must be done in the rural areas where the people are very much illiterate and they are not having the knowledge. So these health centers must be built there to educate the people that they should be aware about the causes, spread and prevention and treatment of the common diseases. So I hope you have understood each and everything. So thank you so much.